Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So we have a special job today. It's on the boring mill. I'm not going to film the whole works, not the setup and all that, because I know you guys want to see chips. So that's what we're going to film, is we're going to film the face milling and the big chips that are coming off of this thing. It's pretty cool. And as you can see, this is a very big part. It's actually quite heavy. I've got 4 of them to do, and this plate is what we're milling. I already took 50 thou off. I got myself set up. I have to take this down to 2.5 from 2 5/8. This was milled by the customer and then put on, and then it needed the horizontal boring mill to do the facing. And then there's a bunch of drilling and stuff that goes here, which we won't film, but you'll see the whole process here with the nice 8-inch face mill. All right, let's get this old girl going. Well, it wasn't that fun. That was 50 thousandths depth of cut. I have one more cut to take. I need to just measure and see how much. It's going to be in the 20 to 30 range. But we're running 215 RPM, 77 thousandths of revolution. So just over 7, almost 8 thousandths per insert feed rate. So pretty awesome. Getting a very nice finish as far as what this is. And so this measurement is on the drawing 2 decimals. So obviously there's a lot of wiggle room here, but we have 25 to go and we should be very close, yeah. 23, so about 23 thousandths to go, very good. We'll take that last pass. right, well, I just figured a nice short and sweet video this week, kind of letting you know what's going on, where we're at. This came out nice. We're gonna go ahead and then do the next step, which I'm not gonna film because it's kind of a tedious and very lengthy process. But the hardest part of this whole job, I'll be honest with you guys, was indicating it in. We had to indicate off of this hole and indicate this way and this way off of the bore on this hole to get it all true. Because nothing comes off that tube, it's all off this hole that's already done. So kind of a difficult setup, took a while, a little bit of shimming, some blocking, you know, playing around, but got it. And I think we're in good shape. So now I'll go ahead and find my center, just start drilling my holes, finish this thing up and move on. So I want to thank everybody. A couple weeks back, I did a follow-up video on the dragline crane bushings and I asked for help. I told you all that a lot of my business has dried up. We lost 4 customers inside of about 4 months, and all of them were complete closures and liquidations. So over the last few years, places have been closing up pretty steadily, but this was a big hit. This was a huge hit. And because of that video, this job came in and I've had a whole bunch of emails and requests and calls to quote other jobs for other companies all around the country. So thank you everybody for helping out there. That's been great, and looking like some pretty cool stuff might be coming in. Stuff that I can enjoy and get behind and hopefully make a good relationship with some new customers. So thank you again everybody, and if you know of anybody looking for, you know, a real machine shop that does real work, please let them know I exist. Spread the word. You know, trucking isn't a big deal anymore. It's really not that expensive, especially if you're in northern Wisconsin. Like, I can ship pallets to Eau Claire, the Twin Cities, Wausau, you know, all around, Duluth, Superior, for under like 80 bucks a pallet, depending on what it is. So, you know, shipping is not an issue anymore. So please, you know, share the word that I'm out here and I exist and I'm looking for work. And until next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.